Example 3.4. A ball is thrown vertically upwards with a velocity of 20 meter per second from the top of a multi-story building. So first we are going to draw a multi-story building like this. This is the multi-story building and it is the ground. Now from the top of this multi-story building, a ball is vertically thrown. From the top of this multi-story building, a ball is thrown in the vertically upward direction, ऐसे. So बॉल सबसे पहले अपने हाईएस्ट हाइट को अचीव करेगी और उसके बाद बॉल जो है ग्राउंड को हिट करेगी. ठीक है. सो बॉल की जो इनिशियल वेलोसिटी है वर्टिकल डायरेक्शन में, दैट इज 20 मीटर पर सेकेंड. I consider this initial velocity as positive because initially the ball is thrown along the plus y axis. So this is the positive y axis. Now ball reaches to its highest point and we know that the velocity at the highest point is always 0. So I consider the velocity at the highest point as 0 meter per second. Now acceleration due to gravity, because this is a kind of free fall and in free fall motion we consider acceleration due to gravity. So I take here a is equal to minus 9.8 meter per second square. For our suitability, to simplify the calculation, you can also consider it as 10 or minus 10 meter per second square. Sometimes the students get confused that we have to use negative sign or positive sign before this acceleration due to gravity. But my friends, keep it in mind, हमेशा याद रखिए, acceleration due to gravity की सिर्फ एक ही डायरेक्शन होती है, वो है towards the center of earth. आप किसी भी बॉडी को अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में थ्रो करिए या फिर डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में थ्रो करिए, लेकिन अर्थ हमेशा अपने सेंटर की तरफ उस बॉडी को पुल करती है. सो द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन ऑलवेज एक्ट्स टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर ऑफ द अर्थ, दैट इज वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड, एंड वर्टिकल डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन वी कंसीडर्ड एज माइनस वाई एक्सिस. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द साइन कन्वेंशन we have to use acceleration due to gravity as minus 9.8 meter per second square near the surface of earth. Now the height of the point from where the ball is thrown is 25 meter from the ground. It means the height of the building. The height of this multi-story building is 25 meter. First part is हाउ हाई विल द बॉल राइज, कि ये जो बॉल है ये कितना मैक्सिमम हाइट तक राइज करेगी. यहाँ से आप यहाँ तक की हाइट कैलकुलेट करेंगे. यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द मैक्सिमम हाइट. नाउ व्हाट फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज वी नो? वी नो इनिशियल वेलोसिटी, we know final velocity, we know acceleration due to gravity, and we have to calculate the height, that is displacement. Clear? We have to calculate the height, that is displacement. So we have to calculate this displacement. Now we are going to use third equation of motion, that is v square minus u square equal to 2as. Now final velocity is 0 meter per second, so it is 0 square, minus initial velocity is 20 meter per second, so it is 20 ka square, equal to 2. Acceleration due to gravity we can consider minus 10, and s is the displacement. Now when we solve it, we get minus 400 is equal to minus 20s, and after solving this I can calculate that the displacement or the height is 20 meter. So the question, first part is how high will the ball rise? The ball rise up to 20 meter. So this is 20 meter, and we consider it as positive because it is in the plus y axis. Now in second part, how long will it before the ball hits the ground? How long will it before the ball hits the ground? कि बॉल को कितना टाइम लगेगा ग्राउंड को हिट करने में. how much time the ball take to hit the ground. So what is the initial position? This A is the initial position and B is the final position. Now what is the displacement? What is the shortest path between the initial point and final point with specific direction? Now this is point A and this is point B. So this is the displacement. This is the net displacement. And this displacement is given as 25 मीटर. बट जब हम डिस्प्लेसमेंट की डेफिनेशन की बात करते हैं तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट का मतलब है शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ बिटवीन द इनिशियल पोजीशन एंड फाइनल पोजीशन विद स्पेसिफिक डायरेक्शन. सो पॉइंट ए और पॉइंट बी के बीच में ये हमारा 25 मीटर शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ है और इसकी डायरेक्शन क्या है? द नेट डायरेक्शन इज वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड. सो डाउनवर्ड के लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? माइनस साइन. सो नेट डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज -25 मीटर. For B part, I am going to use the expression that S is equal to ut plus half at square. S is equal to ut plus half at square. And what is the displacement? The displacement is -25 meter equal to what is the initial velocity? Initial velocity is 20 meter. Multiply by time plus half what is the acceleration due to gravity, that is -10. And what is the time we have to calculate? Now we solve this expression. It is -5. Now we can write it as -25 equal to 20t minus 5t square. So we can write it as 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. So I can write it as t square minus 4t minus 5 equal to 0. Now I am going to factorize it. T square minus 5t plus t minus 5 equal to 0. Now t minus 5 plus 1 t minus 5. So I get the result t as 5 second or t as -1 second. So this is the negative value. We avoid it because time को हम positive लेंगे. So t is equal to 5 second. So the total time taken by the ball to reach the ground, to hit the ground, is 5 seconds. I hope you understood this example 3.3, and very soon I am going to upload the next example. But for that you need to press the notification bell and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.